Feels like everything changed, and nobody said when. Yeah, I remember when a thought was just a thought. Now you say it out loud, get attacked for what it's not. Walking on a wire every time I wanna speak. Like one wrong word, now the whole world on me. Yo, used to laugh it off, now it's screenshots, threads. People digging through your past, trying to rewrite what you said. You can't grow, you can't change, you just stuck in a frame, judged forever by a version that you ain't even today. Tell me when it got this tight in the chest, when opinions turn to weapons, every word a test. We don't talk no more, we just pick a side. Throw a label on a human, let it simplify. Say less, don't risk it. Silence feels safer than a sentence. Truth don't land, it just twist. Now we scared of our own existence. We can't say what we wanna say. We can't be who we used to be. Built a world we don't understand. Now it's got a hold on me. We can't turn it off, no way. Too far gone, too deep. We created something we can't escape. Now it's watching everything. They say AI was a joke, now it's real life. Write a song, paint a picture, thinking just like. Every act got a piece of it inside. Every screen got a mind that we can't hide from. Used to throw it away if it broke down. Now it lives in the cloud, never goes out. You can bury code, you can kill thought. What we build don't die, it just respawns. Government fees, even what you see. Algorithms shape what you believe. Think you chose that, nah, that was place. Subtle little push, then you locked in place. Laugh now, but it's different. Feels like we crossed the line, can't fix it. 5 years back it was fiction, now it's right here, no distance. We can't say what we wanna say. We can't be who we used to be. Built a world we don't understand. Now it's got a hold on me. We can't turn it off, no way. Too far gone, too deep. We created something we can't escape. Now it's watching everything. How do you go back when there's no rewind? How do you shut it down when it lives inside? We opened the door we can't close again. Now we stand there asking where it ends. Everybody talking about control, but who got it? We the ones that built it, now we scared of the product. Trying to hit the brakes, but there ain't no stop. When the system you created don't got it off, you can throw it out, you can't let it go. It's embedded in the life that we all know. From the games we play to the phones we hold. It's a part of us now, that's the truth, that's cold. Maybe we advanced too fast, too blind. Didn't think long term, just chase the climb. Now we stand at the edge like what did we do? Trying to find the past, but it's gone from view. You can't unplug this. So what now?